Hi everyone, it's that time again. We have another stunning Harcourt's prime property to share with you today. What's really exciting about this home is the size and features it has to offer, and yet still being located in one of the most highly sought after communities in all of Carlsbad. Let's go take a look around. A 3/4 of an acre lot, a majestic walkway, and a 4-car custom finished garage with a long driveway greet your arrival. As you enter through the custom doors, you are greeted with an energetic ambiance. High ceilings, Venetian-faced fireplaces, and a modern staircase. The floor plan immediately opens to a jaw-dropping kitchen showcasing a timeless design and contemporary feel. Handcrafted oak cabinets, fitted with a luxurious quartzite stone island, transform this kitchen into a chef's dream. But my personal favorite, accordion windows and award-winning La Cantina disappearing doors, delivering the ultimate entertainment experience your neighbors only dream of. The main level offers the first floor master bedroom with a highly upgraded modern bathroom. Completely remodeled down to the studs in 2015 with over $500,000 worth of luxury upgrades, peace of mind is achieved by knowing only ZERO VOC and chemical-free paints and materials were used in this artistic redesign. The upstairs master retreat stretches across the entire north wing of the second floor. It features an ensuite Venetian fireplace and your very own La Cantina doors leading to an expansive viewing deck overlooking the pool and 180-degree canyon views that last forever. Victoria Albert bathtubs, luxurious heated floors in the master bath, a Thermosal steam rain shower, and stunning tile work deliver a 5-star resort spa feel. The home also features a secluded backyard with a solar-heated saltwater pool and spa. A relaxing zen room for a peaceful solace, and everyone's favorite, an oversized attached casita with a private balcony, full kitchen, and its very own private entrance. If La Costa upscale living is your intentions and your entertainment and gatherings is to be the talk of the town, then you don't want to miss this luxurious modern masterpiece. Give us a call today to schedule your private tour.